Do you feel that you're working a lot, even when you're not supposed to? Even when it's time to wind down and relax? Well, then it's time to step away from your laptop or your phone, especially in the night, especially after 7 p.m. That means don't answer your calls, don't check your emails, don't organize your files, don't get worried about tomorrow's deadlines. And you might be wondering why. Because when you work late at night or in the evenings, it increases a stress hormone called cortisol, which keeps our brains hyper stimulated and our brains cannot relax. And you know what I mean, right? You're anxious, your thoughts are racing, and it affects your sleep. There have been multiple studies showing that stress hormones like cortisol, like corticotropin releasing hormone, these can actually damage the stages of our sleep, which are really important for keeping you recovered and rested. So what happens is when you wake up in the morning, you feel groggy and unproductive. So you're really messing yourself up. And this kind of stress hormones can also inhibit the promotion of growth hormone, which means that you won't be able to build muscle faster, you won't be able to recover faster, you won't be able to lose fat faster. And working late at night can also take away from your creativity and your attention, because what happens is working too late at night, you exhaust all of your mental resources, and when your brain doesn't get time to relax, is always going to be under a wave of stress. And this, for most people, will affect their creativity, their mental acuity, decision making, word recall, all of these things that we really need in our work lives. So if you want to increase your work life in the day, make sure you don't work late at night. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.